Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down, you keep going down, then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on display in text size, then you come here to increase contrast, you click in design. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean increase contrast enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.